Welcome to MJ Stories. Today I'm gonna tell you a beautiful story, The Blue Bird. Susan was a little girl. She lived in a big house which surrounded by many trees. One bright morning, Susan woke up and decided to go for a walk. Suddenly, she heard a soft whistle. She looked around but saw nothing. The whistle sounded again. Now Susan looked at her house. There was no one either. The whistle sounded third time. The Susan looked at the trees. She saw a beautiful blue bird. Susan leaped with joy. It was a bluebird. Where have you come from, bluebird? She asked curiously. I was spending time in warm Australia. But now that the spring is here again, I am back, explained the little bird. And why do you whistle? She asked. I wanted to spread the news all over that spring is here, said the bluebird, and flew off to another tree. Susan waved goodbye to the bluebird and ran home to tell her family that spring is arrived. Moral of the story is: good news like arriving of the spring is meant to be shared with others. Thank you.